Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iMessage not working problem on your iPhone. So guys, if iMessages are not working on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and tap on general and then tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, simply update your device and after this go back and now tap on about, and here you will have to check whether your career updates are updated or not. So guys, if there are any career updates for you, you have to simply update them from here as well. So guys, simply do this and after this go back and now scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. Then go back, tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Then go back and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and then scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and after this you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, you have to simply press and hold the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply take out your SIM card from your device for one time and after this insert your SIM card again. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time and then you have to simply sign in your Apple ID again on your device as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open settings on your device and then you have to go to screen time, here it is, and then scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here, then go back and then scroll it below and go to apps, and now scroll it below and go to messages, and from here you have to simply turn off the toggle for iMessages for one time and after this restart your device, and then you have to simply turn on the toggle for iMessage again. So guys, simply turn it off and restart your device and then turn it on back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply reset your device for one time. So guys, simply do this and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.